Hello, sir. Let me explain to you the difference of the writing board, which is frameless, and the one with frame. You see here, the writing surface was banded behind. You know, if you want, we can add some nails if needed to increase the strength. But actually, you know, we had put the glues. You know, it is enough strong. The strength is enough okay. You know, if two pieces together, there is no any, you know, obstacle for the continuous writing board or for the continuous writing. So no borderless. You see. You see, check here. The product is not bad looking. On both right and left. For here, you see this is the one. We have put the aluminum alloy frame. This is the difference. And for the writing board difference, you see here, it is seamless. You see, like looks like one surface. This is how it looks like. Here. You see here. Here it's like, you know, when we write on the different element, you know, here blocked. And also, you know, for just now, it means the total writing area reduced.